She used to date Ashton Kutcher. She was in Just Married with Ashton Kutcher.
Okay, so he's recording. All right, get it on us.
Well, you want to talk about money.
Okay, who do you want tonight?
Well, how can we turn that into a business story?
I turn that into money? Well, she's losing a lot of money because she's not here. No. I don't know. You got any ideas about money you want to talk about?
About money?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's talk about the stock market right now.
All right.
Let's talk about the real estate market.
I got a story. Bernie Madoff. Again, this is Grand Kuka, the predatory lender, out on weekend release, talking to people about the economy. Now I'm here with Darth Vader and Catwoman. Now Bernie Madoff is in the hospital right now. You know, he got in trouble for that big $50 billion, corporate fraud and all that stuff. Now, how do you think he should be treated while he's in the hospital? Who wants to?
Go ahead.
I'd have to say that I hope he's treated well while he's in the hospital.
Now, it's roughly been about a year since Bernie Madoff and that whole scandal has come out. How has business changed for you guys in the last year since his arrest?
Dramatically. There's been a big downturn in tips since then.
Do people feel that villains are more villainous now because of this?
They're just a little bit scared.
They're scared.
Are you scared of me?
Well, no. I actually was looking to hire you for some other things.
You like a little whip? A little whipping?
Well,
yeah, the predatory
I do get conjugal visits.
The predatory lender loves a little bit of whipping. See?
I can come by for a conjugal visit, or actually it's the other way around.
Yeah.
I'm running out
of bad girls.
I'm running out of shit to say.
Now how Bernie Madoff gets treated in jail is another thing.
Well, once he's out of the hospital, how do you think he should be treated once he's back in? Well, actually,
when he's in jail.
He's not my cellmate, but he's like across the hall from me, so.
I'm sure he'll find. I'm sure.
He'll have lots of friends.
So he's not your cellie, he's across the hall?
Yeah.
Well, I hope he gets,
I'm sure he'll find a nice girl. He'll be somebody's girlfriend.
Okay. So Bernie, just remember this holiday season while you're in the hospital, we're all thinking about you. So get well, Bernie.
Hope you get a stiff one.
Oh.
Is that again?
I hope he gets a stiff one.
Anything you'd like to say to Bernie?
Hey, that about says it all.
Okay.
Hope you get a stiff one.